IPOs represent a pivotal moment for companies seeking growth and success. An IPO, or initial public offering, is a company's first sale of stock to the public. Companies choose to go public through an IPO for several reasons, including raising capital for expansion, providing liquidity for existing shareholders, and enhancing credibility and visibility in the market. The IPO process involves several critical steps, from the initial decision to go public and the selection of underwriters, to the financial audits and preparation of registration statements. Underwriters are essential in the IPO process, acting as intermediaries between the company and potential investors, and guiding the company through the complex regulatory requirements. Financial audits and the preparation of registration statements are crucial steps in the IPO process, ensuring transparency and compliance with regulatory requirements. Obtaining SEC approval and conducting a successful roadshow, where companies pitch their story to potential investors, are critical milestones in the IPO journey. Setting the IPO price and determining the number of shares to be issued is a delicate balance, requiring careful analysis and consideration of market conditions and investor demand. After the IPO, companies enter a new phase of trading activities, including the quiet period, where they must navigate the public markets and meet the expectations of investors. Going public through an IPO comes with significant costs and fees, including underwriting fees, legal expenses, and accounting fees, which companies must carefully consider. Investors must be aware of the risks and considerations associated with investing in IPO shares, including market volatility, company performance, and regulatory compliance. While IPOs are a traditional path to going public, companies may also explore alternative methods, such as SPACs and direct listings, each with its own advantages and considerations. To further your understanding of IPOs and their impact on the business world, visit our website for more resources and insights.